In the coming modules, we will be talking about some collective aspects of language behavior. So, we will raise questions and try to discuss how is language related to social structures, what are the dynamics between them, what about power? Is language related to power? How is it related to power? And we can have a few of examples from our own context to discuss that. We'll talk about monolingual context briefly also. So, when there is only one language spoken within a society, does it mean no power dynamics exist in the society? Does it mean that the dynamics of the language change would be different? We will also look at the bilingual contexts and how are they similar or different from monolingual contexts. And we will also be talking about some basic assumptions. What are the basic assumptions that we can take with us when we move on to discuss bilingualism or bilinguality? Now, I am over here using two terms, bilinguality and bilingualism, which earlier I might have used interchangeably. Now, in this series of modules, we will like to sort of differentiate between the two and know the difference. And then again, we'll come back to the question of language. Is it social or individual? If it is social, why should we study it at individual level? If it is only an individual or psychological phenomena, why should we restrict ourselves to the study of its dynamics in the social area? And we will also talk about different theoretical frameworks or disciplines with which we can study bilingualism. Now, when we talk about different theoretical frameworks and disciplines, please remember that it is a matter of only choice and it is a matter of only emphasis that we choose different theoretical frameworks. But this gives you a brief overview of how to study bilingualism or which aspects of bilingualism or bilinguality would you be interested in.